Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language. It was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum and was designed to be easy to read and write, with a strong emphasis on code readability. Python is a general-purpose language, which means it can be used to build almost any type of software, from desktop applications to scientific applications and games. One of the key features of Python is its extensive standard library, which provides a wide range of functionality, including support for networking, web development, scientific computing, and more. Python also has a large and active community of developers, which has contributed many useful libraries and frameworks that make it even easier to build software with Python. Python is known for its simplicity and ease of use, which makes it a popular choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. It is often used as a first programming language by people who are new to coding, and it is also used extensively in data science, machine learning, and other areas where computational power and speed are important.